Driving tired. Think a little lack of sleep is fine? Nope. Your reactions are slow, your brain is foggy, and if you nod off even for a second, that's it. You crash. Some studies even say being super tired is almost like being drunk. Coffee might give you a little boost, but nothing replaces sleep. Seriously, just rest. Neglecting car maintenance. Tires, brakes, oil, basic stuff most people ignore. Your tires are the only thing keeping you stuck to the road. Worn out? Your car can slip and slide when you least expect it. Bad brakes? Every stoplight becomes a game of Russian roulette. Keep up with your checkups, skip them, and your car turns into a ticking time bomb. Reckless speeding. Not just a little over the limit, full-on Fast and Furious mode. A small push over the limit? Fine, adrenaline rush. But tearing down highways like you're in GTA? One mistake, and suddenly you're the headline. Speed is fun, sure, but it's also super risky. Premature left turns. Light turns yellow? Don't just go. Wait for oncoming traffic to clear. Most accidents happen here. It's tempting to just go like you're in a video game. But in real life, guessing wrong can ruin your day. Or worse. Patience here saves lives. DUIs. No explanation needed. Drinking or using drugs behind the wheel? You're basically begging for an accident. Plenty of people get into serious crashes from this. Don't be one of them. Driving too fast in bad weather. Rain, snow, ice. Your car stops being predictable. Hydroplaning can happen in seconds. Speed limits exist for a reason, and conditions can make them worse. Ignore that, and you're basically playing extreme sports with a car. Distracted driving. It starts small, checking a text at a red light, then changing the song while moving, then scrolling TikTok at 70 miles per hour. Your phone sucks all your attention, and suddenly your car's a weapon. Pull over. No text, meme, or notification is worth risking your life. Forgetting headlights at night. Driving invisible is only cool in superhero movies. Out on a dark road, you might as well not exist. Lights on, every time. It's simple, it's safe, and it can save your life. So that's it. Driving while tired, ignoring maintenance, reckless speeding, making left turns too early, driving under the influence, going too fast in bad weather, using your phone while driving, and forgetting headlights at night. 8 ways the road can bite you if you're not paying attention. All of these are simple to avoid, but people ignore them all the time. Drive smart, check your car, pay attention, and stay safe. If this helped you even a little, hit like and subscribe for more real tips so you don't end up in someone else's story.